Hey y'all, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we are making cheesy Vidalia cornbread. So I'm going to get this started because y'all know this thing takes forever. I need a half a stick of butter. Y'all like my new butter dish? I got it at Tuesday morning. It's like a strawberry.
But it's Saturday morning.
No, it's actually Friday night. Shut up. Alright.
No, shut up.
Just shut up. Just hush your mouth and be quiet. Alright, I'll put this half a stick of butter in here. And to this I have one Vidalia onion that's chopped up. Now what I want to do is I want to just saute this a little bit till it's, don't brown it. Just make it a little translucent. And I'm not going to make y'all sit here and wait because y'all know this thing is slow. But when we get back, when these are translucent, I'll bring you to the next step. So we'll be right back. Okay, my onions are done. I'm going to pour these into the bowl. Butter and all. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now, you can add a box of Jiffy mix, and I usually don't use Jiffy mix, but I actually ordered some today on Walmart delivery. Unfortunately, they didn't have any, so I'm using my yellow self-rising cornmeal mix. I'm using about a cup and a half. To this, I want to add a quarter of a teaspoon of dill weed. This is also what I call Tony. Dill weed.
That's rude.
Well, yeah. He is dressed again today, guys.
Huh?
I said you are dressed today.
Yeah. Huh?
Now I have a cup of sour cream. And then I have a cup of sharp cheddar cheese that we just grated, so with the grater. Now I'm going to get out about half a cup of butter. Oh wait, about to forget something. You need 1 egg beaten. Now, like I said, about half a cup of buttermilk. But you might not need it. Make sure you shake your buttermilk, as I always tell you. That way all the solids from the bottom all get mixed up. Alright. Yeah. Add some of this buttermilk. I'm definitely going to need it. My cast iron skillet wasn't clean, so that's why I didn't do it in the, just do it all in the skillet. Oh, come on. Get in there. Alright. Add a little bit. The buttermilk you add is just until it's at the right consistency. And that's about the right consistency. Let me get a pan. Now what I have is I've got a, I think this is an 8x8. Should be an 8x8 square pan by 9x9. And I'm just going to spray it with some cooking spray. Now what did I do with okay, I lost something. Besides my mind. I've never made this before, but I found this recipe And I wanted to make it because it's going to go well with my supper tonight.
And you know what happens if it messes up?
What do I? Well,
You never see this video.
It's not going to mess up. I don't make that many mess ups. Alright, we're going to cook this at 400, like I said, 400. Actually, disregard that, it's 450. It's going to cook about 30 minutes. So we'll bring you back.
Oh.
Alright, I got our cornbread out. It only took 20 minutes in this pan. So keep an eye on it after 20 minutes. Alright, I'm going to let it cool for a little bit. Then I'll slice it up. So we'll bring you back for the end. Alright guys, our Vidalia Onion cornbread is done.
That's Vidalia Onion cornbread?
Yep.
Oh.
Let me see, you really can't see the
Called
cornbread.
it cheese bread or
The
something.
onion, but it's cheese in it as well. Cheesy Vidalia Onion. This is part of a bigger meal, which you will see on Friday. You're seeing this on Monday. So this is part of a bigger meal. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do hit that bell notification, so you'll be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Thank you for joining me. Share this out on your social media. Leave me a comment and give me a big thumbs up. Alright, y'all have a good one. Bye.